Hey guys, welcome back. So I just discovered this app that completely changed the way I test my softwares. And I'm going to walk you guys through it right now. So the name is Replay and it's at replay.io. So what it does is that it takes your app, your product, and then it goes through every single thing one after the other, testing it to make sure that it works, checking to make sure that there are no errors, and if there is any, it reports it to you, and then you can track everything and see it on the dashboard. So I'm going to show you exactly how it works, and you follow me along. So the first thing is to sign up to replay.io, go to the website, sign up, or you can simply put in your website address right there, and it's going to start the process. All right. So once you put in your website, it's going to ask you for a few details. For example, if it notices that you need to log into this website, so it's going to ask you for the login details. So you simply just provide the login details and you see the magic happening. Okay. So once you have successfully signed up, you can also connect your GitHub, right? So connect the GitHub repo for this particular project so that it scans through the website and then also compare with the code and then gives you a better result. Okay, so I will set that up right there. And of course, once that is complete, I would register my account and I would go into the dashboard. So once I am in the dashboard, I will just simply click on the new project button, and that is already going to give me access to the projects that I already added. Okay, so with this, I would simply set up my GitHub once again by, of course, connecting it through OAuth and making sure that everything is set up properly. And once that is done, you will see the magic happening. So here, I will start the QA section. And once you start the QA section like this, you can leave it, go do something else, and Replay is definitely going to try to test every single thing on the platform. Now, I don't know how it selects the specific things to test, but that is actually magic. Okay, but it's going to go through everything on your website, test it out, report bugs, and make sure that you are on track with exactly what you want to build. Now, one interesting thing about this is that you can chat with it right here, send it messages. You can also tell it to move to different section on the website and test things out, right? So if you don't want to waste time testing things that you've already done testing, you can chat right there, ask it to test things out or give you reports or do whatever you want it to do on the chat section. All right, so once you've successfully connect everything, give it some time to go through your project and test out everything. So here we have a couple of tests. I think we have up to 12. You can create a different project and test it as well while this other one is running. And another thing, you can add a team member. All right, so go to settings. Once you're on the settings tab, go to the members part and then click on change in chat. So once you say change in chat, it's automatically going to direct you to the chat box, where you type in what you want to do. Either I want to add a member or you want to remove a member. So here I want to add a member. So what I will do is to basically specify that I want to add, and then I will type in the email address of the person I want to add. So once you do that, you click on send. Now, Replay is automatically going to add this member to your project and is going to send this member an email to join your project. So once the member accepts, the person will be added into the project and they can see the different reports that is happening and the bugs that have been found and every other thing. So another important thing is that you can definitely create these issues or these bugs on the GitHub issue tab immediately, or even create a pull request. So all you have to do is to chat and tell Replay to do that for you. So I'm going to show you a demo where I ask it to take these issues and then create it on GitHub for me. So once I do that, it's going to ask me for GitHub keys and personal credentials. So I'm going to add that, and Replay is automatically going to add these issues to my GitHub page. So this is how I automate QA testing on my platform. And as you can see, it is very, very interactive and it's very useful. So I want you guys to try it out. Click on the link below and I will see you on the next one.